G'day folks, want to have a chat about biochar. See, I made some pretty sexy charcoal last night. So what I've done here is I've filled this whole bucket up with water. It's got drainage holes in the bottom. I've put charter carp fertilizer in there, and there's a reason for that. And I've collected the water, so that'll be full of charter carp, etc, etc. Now, I'm a bit of a skeptic on biochar. I'll tell you why. I'm an old chef, so I've thought about biology a lot in my life, and because we don't like making people sick. So microbes, bacteria, all that sort of stuff doubles in population every 20 minutes. So that bucket that I just showed you was done 12 hours ago, and it is full of biology, full of biology. Anywhere where there's water in there, there's biology in there. Now, do we know what biology is in there? No, we do not. What I can tell you is it will be aerobic at the moment because I don't have it covered with water. All right, so I guess the first thing I'll say is don't make anaerobic biochar. When it goes into the soil, all the aerobic bacteria in the soil is going to have to fight it instead of doing what it does best and feeding trees, or bringing food to trees, I should say. So when you make your biochar, don't put it for days, don't cover it with water. All you're doing is making anaerobic fetid water. All right, now you'll have nutrients in there, but nutrients aren't the point of biochar. Biology is the point of biochar. Biology is a hotel. Biochar is a hotel for biology. Cool, right? So you fill it up with all this biology. You don't know what's in there, but you think it's aerobic, so it's probably pretty good. Okay, I can deal. But the plants can't access it. And this is the one big assumption that people make, that this here is not already 100% full of biology. Because it is. It's packed. There is no more room in here for any more biology. So when you put the biochar in the ground, what's going to happen? They're going to fight. And they're probably going to fight because they want to live in the charcoal. All right, then the plant will go around the charcoal and be able to access it. That's the story. But who's to say that you're actually adding anything to the soil? Who's to say that the enormous amounts of bacteria that are already in here don't just invade the charcoal and kill all that bacteria and microbes that you don't know what they are and just move into the charcoal? So I am skeptical. I think it would create good structure. I think Terra Preta works because it was done over a long time outdoors. But yeah, we'll do half a bed. We'll do this half a bed. We'll see how we go.